Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important topic, that is TCS rehiring policy 2023-2024. So the main question is that, is TCS really hiring ex-employees, and if yes, what are going to be the eligibilities for rejoining TCS? So we will try to cover all the questions and the answer for them in this video. So first of all, what is Rebegin program? So basically TCS has started Rebegin program, and Rebegin is an initiative by TCS to provide an opportunity to talented women professionals to give their career as a well-deserved jump start and rebegin their journeys towards achieving their true potential. So basically this is true that TCS is hiring ex-employees, but this is for women only. And then second question, who is this initiative for? So basically, this initiative is open for women professionals from across India who are looking to rebegin their career after taking a break due to family, health, education, personal reasons. Women candidates with at least 2 years of relevant experience who have taken long break due to family and other personal circumstances can be considered under this initiative. The objective of this initiative is to provide an opportunity to women professionals to get back to the arena and nurture their career with TCS. So basically this program is focusing only on the women, and that too on those women who have taken the break due to family, health, education and personal reasons. And then, is it for India or all countries? So basically this program is for India only as of now. It is not valid in another countries as of now. And then experience and eligibility criteria. So applicant must have 2 years of continuous work experience to be eligible for this program. That is first eligibility criteria. And then they can have multiple varying breaks. That is also not the concern. However, it is mandatory to highlight the duration of the career break and reasons while applying. So basically you can't hide the break, or you can't try to hide the reason for that break. Otherwise, you may not be eligible for it if TCS finds that during the BGC, background check verification. And the applicant can be currently working while applying under Rebegin program. The selection process will be completely merit based. And now the most important thing of this video, this is the URL where you can visit and can apply Rebegin program in this initiative, and you will be able to see multiple jobs there when you visit this URL. Let me show you in front of you itself. By clicking on that URL, you will be redirected to this page, reaping towards a greater future with TCS. So you can see multiple things here, open positions. There are so many positions which are open in which you can apply, and no more. So you can check all the things by visiting this URL. I will provide you this URL in the description of this video. So this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel IT India.